One afternoon, I had an individual come into the office and he had a workers' compensation pre-hearing in 4 hours, and he had no preparation whatsoever. But he had a medical condition that required research to determine whether or not it could be created or aggravated by trauma. Fortunately, I had the medical books and was able to do it. And I got in front of the board, and the board looked at me and told the client, I don't know how in the world you made anything on this case, but your lawyer is correct. We'll give you an award. And for the first time, I understood that it was the injured I need to represent, because that's the ones that need the most voice. There's many factors that go into whether it's a question of liability or damages, and the questions of liability can come from different sources. It depends on the issues and the facts, but just because something's missing doesn't mean that you can't find that same fact from something else. The part of the evidence that's necessary that we know the insurance company is going to question, there's going to be an issue or whatever it is. Ordinary consumer is behind, and he's no way to be able to get past it unless you're prepared. It's kind of like in Texas, every lawyer's got a weapon. Question is whether he's got any bullets or not. Nobody's going to pay attention to you unless you're loaded and ready to go. And that's what we do. We load it up. Typically, it's going to be a discussion in the demand, the documents we submit. It will have listing the liability facts, pictures to show the damage, and then it will have a discussion of the damages. Prior to the demand being submitted to the insurance company, we go over all of the last-minute damages of things that we knew about the case. So we're summarizing it correctly. During the interview, when the client walks into my office, I make it clear that every client's voice is going to be heard, and they will walk with confidence because they knew I was right there beside them, along with my staff and my team. We were there together, and we won together.